Hello. Today we are going to make a 3-phase electrical cable extender cord together at home. I'll show you how wiring up 380 volts 3-phase 16A plug and socket, the standard red plug. First of all, I have to warn you that electricity is dangerous and you can only do this tutorial if you are at least 18 years old, or your grandmother is around and allows you to do this project. To make a 3-phase cable extender you will need a cable that has at least 5 wires. The cross-section of these wires depends on the power which is to be connected to this cable and the total length of the cord. You will also need a 3-phase socket and a 3-phase jack plug. If you are ready, start by removing a few centimeters of the cable jacket, but carefully without damaging any of the wire's insulation. All these wires will need to be connected to this connector. According to the IEC wiring color code standard, brown wire is first phase, blue is neutral, black is second phase, gray is third phase, and wire with yellow and green color is ground. After all 5 wires have been stripped of insulation and the metal wires are twisted tight. As you can see, the 3-phase plug already has all the wire connections marked, so there is less room for error. Then screw the wires in place according to the color markings. Once all the wires are screwed in tightly, all that's left to do is to assemble the 3-phase connector itself. Do the same for the other wire. Add the wires according to the correct colors and screw the connector together. Here is the 30 meters long extension cable made. Check with a multimeter that there are no short circuits and that all the wires are connected correctly. If everything is fine, I congratulate you. You have made a 3-phase 16A cable extender without spending a lot of money. If you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to see them in the comments section below this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons, so we can meet up for another cable making video.